Let's make a special dessert for Navratri, Sabudana Kheer. This creamy, rich and flavorful kheer made with tapioca pearls is perfect for fasting days and it is super easy to make. Let's get started. First, rinse 1 cup of sabudana or tapioca pearls 2-3 times or until the water runs clear. Now add 1 cup of water and soak the sabudana for 4 to 5 hours or until it becomes soft. Once the sabudana is soaked, I drained excess water. It is super soft now. And now let it sit for 10 minutes. Heat 4 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. You can also use butter. Then add 1/4 cup of chopped nuts and roast them on medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now also add raisins and roast them until they swell up. Once roasted, remove the nuts and raisins onto a plate. Using the same pan, add the soaked sabudana and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns translucent. Add full fat milk to the pan and stir it well. Bring it to a boil over medium-low heat. Once the milk starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 3-4 minutes or until the sabudana is fully cooked. Now add 6 tablespoons of sugar or as per taste and mix it well. Now add saffron strands and cardamom powder. Stir everything well and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes or until the milk starts to thicken. Keep stirring it occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, add the roasted nuts and raisins to the kheer. Stir everything well and let it cook for another minute. Your super creamy and tasty Sabudana Kheer is ready. Transfer it to a serving dish. Garnish it with fried nuts and saffron strands and enjoy it warm or chilled. Wasn't that easy? This classic creamy Sabudana Kheer is a perfect dessert for your Navratri fasting days or any time you want something sweet. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.